So we have the Greatmats 3/8 inch interlocking mats. We've been using them for a few years now. We started with a much smaller space and then expanded it as we were able to. We now have quite a few of them, and some of the best stuff about them, I'd say, is one, very durable. We have kids. We have a baby right now that we let crawl around on them, no issue. Very durable though, can drop anything, easy to clean. Also easy to shape as you need. We were able to modify to go around this corner as we wanted to extend back, as we've been trying to utilize as much of this space as possible. The other great thing though, and I really think this is one of the key things over these interlocking mats versus horse mats, etc., that a lot of people do, is that you don't end up with those tape lines everywhere. And then if you go to drag something like this open trap bar across them, I see the tape peel off when people do that. And then you end up with these taped together horse mats that kind of slide around. They don't really have any way of holding themselves in place. With this number of mats, these things don't move. They're here permanently. Obviously not permanently, you can pick them up again, but they act like they're permanent. And that has to be one of the best things about them, is they really just become flooring in your garage. So yeah, highly recommend. They've served us well, and we continue to add more of them. Thanks.